Do you like nature? Do you enjoy gardening in your everyday life? If you do, I think you will like my cozy plan thing for my May bullet journal. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month, I designed this glass greenhouse printable. I really enjoy looking at the beautiful plants in my house. Therefore, I designed this set of plain sticker sheets and a printable for this month's setup. It's so fun to peel and use these plain stickers. First, I'm creating my May cover page. I'm cutting out a greenhouse from the printable to get ready. This month, I decided to design my May bullet journal with a minimalist style. I want the pages to have a very modern and a sleek look. Now I'm placing the greenhouse on my page. I usually print my printables for my bullet journals on the sticker paper so that it will be much easier to stick onto the pages. If you want to know what sticker paper I'm using, the link is in the description. Now I'm drawing some simple lines with a Crayola Super Tip marker and a micron ink pen. Now I'm using my 2021 mini calendar stickers to add some details. Then add in a month title using my month script stickers. Finally, putting on a 2021 sticker onto the cover page. Next is the monthly calendar. Just like the cover page, I'm designing this with a minimalist calendar style. Then I'm using my 1 to 31 number strip to add the dates onto my calendar. Then writing down the weekdays. Please show some love to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with the new video. I'm really grateful for your support. It means so much to me. I have many free printables that I made for you. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. Here, adding some light green lines to divide every week. Next, I'm sticking this beautiful hanging plant sticker onto the up right corner. Then drawing a hanging string for the plant. Finally, to finish this page, adding the May title sticker. This is all for this video, my minimalist May cover page and my monthly calendar setup. Don't forget to check out this cozy plain printable and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using these designs in your own journals. I will be uploading another 2 videos with my plant and the record spreads and a weekly spread for this month very soon. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!